you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades here. And a little bit of good news finally starting to come out for Bitcoin here after we tag 62,000 once again. We almost hit my level of 60,000, or basically 61,000 essentially. And we almost hit that level there for a strong reversal I was hoping for, but the reversal came here from this descending wedge, and it looks like we're breaking out from this wedge at the moment. Bitcoin is making a beautiful attempt to try and reclaim the $65,000 level. We almost got to it at 64,600. Again, Bitcoin was looking very, very bearish on the daily time frame on Market Cipher. We're almost at the zero line on money flow, right? And then the bulls are starting to step in to try and save it at the last minute here. So a valiant attempt. So we're going to actually have to see if this confirms with a green dot and Bitcoin pushes higher with an impulse, which is essentially the third wave here of the final fifth wave. And if it does end up playing out, then you really don't want to be shorting this at all, right? It's still possible that we go lower, right? It's still very possible. Right now, I can make 3 waves here towards the downside. Nice correction. Seems to be over now, obviously, with this impulse up. I cannot, I can't make another wave going down. If it does end up going down and reversing this whole move, then I'd have to do another assessment of our count, and possibly maybe this is a bigger sideways correction. Maybe it's a triangle, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see as the charts develop. But right now, Bitcoin is trying to push higher. So looking good so far. Cryptos are reacting. All the other altcoins are reacting positively to this Bitcoin pump. Not too surprising. Now let's see what Market Cipher and Wave Edge are showing on the other time frame. So we just closed another weekly candle recently, and we'll just get into that just here. And right now we have a 12 and a -4 on the dual band strength index from the previous candle. Now we have a 10 and a -1 on the dual band strength index. So looking a little bit less bearish, but still bearish overall. 4-day time frame, basically a little bit more leaning towards the bearish side, but almost flat to neutral. I think I'm going to sneeze soon, so excuse me. Oh, I'm not editing that out. We're going to leave that in there. 13 and a -4 on the 3-day. 2-day, we actually pretty much neutral on the 2-day. But what I like is that it's starting to curl back up here. We still have a lot of green money flow. And if we can confirm another green dot, then that'd be great. But we'll have to see if it can. Daily, we just covered this green dot at the moment. 4-hour time frame. So we're in red money flow right now. If we can come out of it, that'd be super bullish. If we can't, and we start to reverse, and this whole move was just a whole fake out, and we are going to go lower, then we're going to remain in red money flow. And we're going to see some early signs, obviously, on the 1 hour. But the 1 hour is looking good so far. We've come out of red money flow. We printed a green dot low here right around 62,000. Now we're back in green money flow, back to 64,300. So that's really positive for Bitcoin. 30-minute showing, let me see here, showing some good signs of life as well. Almost out of red money flow, but it needs to pump a little bit more. And we'll see if the bulls can do that. Let's take a look at Wave Edge. So Wave Edge, really some really important indicators here as well. The MACD is about to almost flip back to the bullish side, which would be a bullish signal as well. 4-hour time frame, cross back into the green as well. You didn't see any more significant buying, but if you dive into the smaller time frames, like the 3-hour, you got some significant buying on this dip here. The same as well when we were going down. So it's still possible that we could get another dip and maybe we'll see some more buying, but this is a good sign overall. 1 hour and 2 hour, we saw some buying. The 1 hour recently today, we saw some buying. I wasn't ready to enter my long position just based off these signals. I was hoping for another dip down to these levels, but it looks like it could have truncated. We're not going to get it. And if the wave 2 is in, we are going to impulse out here in a wave 3, which is really, really bullish, and you don't want to be short if this is going to happen. I'll let you guys know when I'm going to enter my next big trade. I'm already in a trade on Bitcoin Cash right now. I'm very bullish on this crypto. I think there's going to be a significant amount of upside coming for Bitcoin Cash, and if it does end up pumping up, I'll just do a live stream for you guys. I'll show you guys my position in it. I have two different ones. I have the ones I'm doing for the portfolio, and I have my own personal one as well. But personal one is a little bit more risky because there's obviously a lot more capital there. And let's take a look at the 30-minute. Why not? 30-minute looking good. 24. I mean, really, you know, Bitcoin is is showing a lot of signs of strength right now, but we need to clear 67,000. 67,000 right now is the line in the sand. If we can get over that, then we should be, you know, clear skies all the way to essentially 72 to 75, and then you have a little bit of resistance there, but overall looking quite good at the moment. Okay, so I think that covers it for now. I don't really have much to add for you guys. If you guys enjoy these videos, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys want to get access to my trades, the link is in the description. There's been a lot of chop here for the last few days. So, you know, so many members were just asking, when's the next trade? When's the next trade? When's the next trade? I don't see any setups. You know, it's just going up and down within $1,000 range. So there's not really much to be made or had here. So that's not something I really like to trade. But if you guys want to join in, you know, we've made some amazing gains. 79% wins, 100% wins. Those are the trades I love to take. We rode this long here from 59 all the way to the high of 67 and got out. We rode the bottom from this wave all the way up to here to the $70,000 level, and then we exited. So again, making some amazing trades along the way. And again, you just got to be patient. You got to wait for the setups to come. And when they do come, then you got to take them. All right, that's it for tonight, guys. Enjoy the video, and you know, come join the Discord. There's a free Discord. You guys can come chat with me, and if you guys want to get access to the trades, the link's in the description.